Hello students, before starting the explanation of remaining part, I want to tell you that some students ask me some meanings of the chapter. For this, I want to advise you to consult dictionary because I am telling you the difficult words which I think that can be difficult for you. And if you are having trouble, then it is necessary to consult dictionary because it is told by us again and again that first read the chapter and find difficult words, and this will help you keep remaining these things and then watch video. It will help you a lot to understand the chapter. Now let's start, but before that I want to brush up the things which we have already read. The first information about the chapter is that it is a science fiction and it tells us about the future school. Tommy and Margie, future children, and they found printed book, which is unusual for them because they used to study with e-books. And with the cause of curiosity, Margie, the girl, wants to know more about the past school because she is fascinated with the idea that there was not a mechanical teacher. As we have read, okay, now start. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Tommy told Margie that the past students had a teacher, but that teacher was not like theirs. Theirs teacher is totally different because it is a mechanical teacher, a computer screen, you can say. But the students of past, according to Tommy, have a man, means human being, as a teacher. A man? How could a man be a teacher? So Margie very surprisingly asks. She is surprised with the thought that a man could be a teacher. So that's why she asks how it is possible that man can be a teacher. Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. So now Tommy is telling her that at the past time, the students were taught by a human teacher who told them things, means who explained things to them and then gave homework and asked them questions. A man isn't smart enough. Now what Margie says? Margie says that a man cannot be as smart as the mechanical devices. Okay, sure, he is, but Tommy is very sure about it. He's confirmed the fact by saying that no, man is can be also very smart. Why? He knows this fact by because my father knows as much as my teacher. So to prove his point that men can also teach, he says that his father is also familiar to the things. Knows things means familiar with the things as much as his teacher. So means the knowledge of the mechanical teacher is similar to the knowledge of the father. He knows almost as much, I betcha. He knows, it is also the dialogue of Tommy. He knows almost, वो उतना ही जानते हैं, means he also knows as much as the mechanical teacher knows, I betcha. Betcha, the meaning is given here. Informal word hai, means I bet you. It is the informal form of betcha, means bet you. So bet you means when somebody is very sure about something. That's why he said. So means Tommy is very sure about this thing, that the knowledge of the father, his father and the teacher is at some point very similar. So they are also, his father is also as knowledgeable as the mechanical teacher. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. Dispute, to quarrel, to disagree. So Margie wasn't prepared. Margie is not ready. Prepared means ready to dispute, to quarrel on that topic. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house. And that's why she don't argue with Tommy on the topic that a man can be as knowledgeable as a mechanical device. She said, I wouldn't want a much strange man in my house, a strange man in my house to teach me. She clearly admits the fact that she never allow a strange man not known to her in her house to teach her. Tommy screamed with laughter. So hearing this thing, she don't never allow anyone to teach her in his house, a strange person. At this, Tommy screamed. You mean it is shout, but here it is used for louder voice with laughter. To me, he started laughing and said, "You don't know much, Margie." He said that Margie doesn't know anything about this. The teachers didn't live in the house. Means those human teachers did not live in the house of the students. They had a special building and all kids went there because the all the kids of past used to go on a separate building which is meant for studying those students. It means a school building. Listen, students, these are future child and your type of school becomes past school for them. So keep this thing, this idea in your mind while you are reading this chapter.